Hi, my name is Böhmer and I'm going to show you how I play live. I'm using a digital and analog setup. Each channel has one element of the track. And as I don't want to make everything with a mouse, I'm using this setup. With these three controllers, I can control the session view. These are three Allen & Heath Zone K2 controllers. I have my bass drum here, the bass line, claps, hi-hats, vocals. I can control the diva here, the transition group, the master. It makes it pretty easy to control every part of my track in Ableton Live. Korg Niluk XD, but I'm not playing with the analog synthesis. I'm playing with the diva from UHE, so it's actually kind of nice to have a digital synth completely mapped on that thing. This is an analog pedal. Actually not just a reverb, there's a delay inside, there's a harmonizer. There's a big advantage that you save CPU because it's not a digital reverb. This is my Archive MIDI mix. It's basically a loop machine. I have 8 drum loops. It helps to make something unique in the moment, to make some new transitions.